Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you all must be knowing that I've got a combination sort of a skin which is quite greasy and oily in summers and sort of combination in winters. So I am very particular about the brands which I use, and recently I was figuring out some face wash and some night gel for myself, and I was searching a brand which not only suits my personality but also my skin. And there is a very good and trusted brand by all the moms out here, and the name of the brand is the Moms Company. Yes, you must have seen my previous videos wherein I have been using its other products, and I'm a big fan of this brand because this brand is all natural brand. It's actually made for all the moms, and not just for moms, for all the teenagers out there, because it is a very natural vegan sort of a brand which keeps all the toxins away. Its all products are certified and dermatologically tested as well. It is completely paraben free, SLS free, and whatever toxins or chemicals which a particular skincare could have, it is completely free from all of them. And therefore I trust this brand completely. And not only me, there are hundreds of people, millions of people who have shown their trust on this brand. So this time I'm going to show what I have bought from this brand. So I have bought these two very lovely products from this brand. This is the face wash. Now if you can see that it is a very natural green tea face wash which gently removes dirt, oil and daily buildup without dehydrating or leaving the skin feeling tight. As you all must be knowing that green tea and niacinamide removes excess oil, aloe vera soothes, and willow herb helps to control acne. It leaves the skin deeply cleansed, more radiant, mattified and absolutely shine free. So what if you are having oily skin, combination skin, then this is a must buy for all of you.
For its application, just take few drops of the face wash and rub it all over your face and clean your face thoroughly, and then just wash it off and see the effect.
So the second product is its natural green tea night face gel. Now this particular face gel boosts skin hydration with squalene. It has oat extracts, green tea and aloe vera. It has niacinamide also. It helps to improve your uneven skin tone. This gel works through the night to intensely moisturize, leaving your skin soft, hydrated and non-greasy. So if you are also having an oily skin or maybe a combination skin and you're looking for a product which gives you a mattifying effect and at the same time hydrate your skin, moisturize it well, then this is your go.
Let's talk about its application now. Just take few drops of the same from its pack and apply it on all over your face and massage in a circular motion, and you're done with it.
So what are you waiting for? Just go and give these two lovely products a must try. As you all must be knowing, this is a very good brand which I always love and always recommend to all those people, not only just to moms, to all those people who are looking for a real authentic natural product which is free from all types of chemical. As the name itself suggests, this is a really cool brand. So this time I have used these two products and I highly recommend these two products. And if you like my review, if you like these two products, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. And you can also use the discount coupon which I'm gonna put in the description box below to get some extra discount from their website. So go order it right now.